right, guys, I get asked all the time how to repurpose things. And today I'm going to do one for my mom because she loves these little cheese balls. So we're going to repurpose a cheese ball container and you won't believe how it's going to come out. All right, so we're going to take the ridges right here on the top and on the bottom, and we're going to take that section off. So we're just going to take and put it right on that edge all the way around, and we're going to do this on both sides. All right, now that we have it taped off, all I want to do now, I don't need this little lip right up here, so I'm just going to cut it off. I'm just going to go right around. I don't need it to be neat because it's going to get covered up. I just want to have a bigger opening. All right, just like that. All right, now it's time to take this outside and get painting. I'm going to take gold and I just want to paint here and here, not here. Okay, I've also got these little wooden pieces that are flat on the back and round on the top. We're also going to paint all of those, the gold, just like that. And because I don't have any gold string, I'm just gonna take some twine and add a little gold accent to it. So I'm just gonna put me a bit in there just like this. And we're gonna spray it as well, just to get it some highlights. All right, now that our gold is all dry, we're just gonna peel this tape off. Now that our tape is off, I want to go back over it and I want to make sure that I have a nice clean edge right over the top of our gold, just like this. We're going to tape this off because we're going to paint this in the center. So do this for the top and the bottom. Now that we have it all taped off, we're going to take some blue paint and we're going to just go right over the top here. Do not spray your gold. All right, now that our paint is dry, we're just going to peel that off just like that. That's perfect. Look at our nice little edge here. Perfect. Doesn't even look like a cheese ball container anymore. Now we want to get our little flat pieces with the round on the top. And what we're going to do, we're going to get a glue gun. Put you a little dot of glue on each one. We're going to do one right here up underneath that gold line, but touching. We're going to get another one and go at an angle right here and do the same thing on the edge on the bottom. Now we're going to come back up here, do the same on the top. And as you can see, we're doing a zigzag pattern and we're going to do that all the way around. All right, now that all of our little knobs are on, we're going to get that twine that we spritz with some gold, and we're just going to put just a little bit of glue right here on the end, just like that. And we're going to start right on the end, just kind of tack it right onto that. And now what we're going to do, we're going to go through and just hook it on and go all the way around. How cool is this looking? Nobody would ever know you were just snacking on cheese balls. All right, we just snip that off, put another little bit of glue on. Tap it right into our little knob. Here we go, guys. How cute is this? I love it. But we're not done yet because I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with it. Or another option that you can do with your drum, you can take it and put it in one of your big trees as one of your big ornaments, just like this. This would be perfect for a nutcracker tree, or in my case, I collect White House ornaments, so this is going to be perfect for mine.